keeping everything under control. That's the idea behind every single MV project. This dashboard will let you know exactly how your bike behaves at any time thanks to the most complete and refined electronics. After turning the key, it performs a quick check and the main page appears on the display. It's got all the information you need when riding. And everything can be customized using the control on the left handlebar. There are 8 pages in the main menu. To move around the menu, press the OK button for 2 seconds. Then scroll by moving it right or left. Press to access the single pages. But let's review them one by one. Race. This page lets you manage your options for a great track day. It features 3 controls that allow you to activate the race mode, view the recorded track sessions, and customize your screen by selecting your favorite parameters, which include speed, lap time, lean angle, inertial values, temperature, and fuel level. Headset. This function displays all the intercom devices or Bluetooth headsets that you have saved, and add the new ones or delete the ones you don't need anymore. Dashboard. You can adjust all the visual and general parameters of the dashboard, such as background, color, time, and date, and also choose whether to display the engine RPM or the MV Agusta logo in the bottom part of the screen. Custom Map. This page reflects same customizable parameters featured in the MV Ride app. Here you can select your preferred riding mode. Suspension. In this page, you can adjust the hydraulic settings of the fork, the mono shock absorber, as well as the steering damper. Of course, this if your bike does have the electronic suspensions, in which case the options become available when the custom map is activated. Service. This page collects all the information concerning maintenance and tells you the time left until the next service is due. Units. Here you can choose the measurement units for speed, temperature, and pressure. Info. It tells you which software version is installed and, if you need to, lets you restore factory settings. Once you're done, scroll again through the main menu to exit. Now, for obvious safety reasons, main menu pages can only be viewed when the bike is stationary. There is a set of 10 dashboard views or submenus you can access while actually riding your bike. Trip contains information about Trip 1, Trip 2, from start, and trip fuel, all featuring distance traveled as well as time elapsed. Inertial. With this view, you can always have at hand lean angle and longitudinal acceleration in real time. Traction control. You can actually adjust traction control or start the self-recognition procedure of the wheel circumference. Just hold the switch down and move it right or left. ABS. You can set your favorite ABS level by, again, pressing the OK button and moving it right or left. Front lift control. Same simple procedure, press the OK button and then move it right or left to activate or deactivate it. Trip record. All MV Agusta models featuring the new TFT Dashboard have a GPS module that can be activated from this menu. It will allow you to record the GPS track, which you can then download, visualize, and share through the MV Ride app. TPMS. This page is available as a standard feature on all bikes equipped with a tire pressure monitoring system. This system checks tire pressure in real time. Music. You need to pair a smartphone to the dashboard and connect it. Then you also want to connect an intercom or a Bluetooth headset and you're off managing all your music. Call. Again, You have paired your smartphone to the dashboard, and you also have connected an intercom or a Bluetooth headset with a mic. You can manage incoming calls or select contacts and make a call. Navigation. Smartphone paired and connected. Activate navigation on the MV Ride app. This submenu will allow you to visualize all the information about your navigation as well as turn-by-turn instructions. I'd recommend, for complete comfort, you use an intercom or a Bluetooth headset so you can receive audio instructions as well. That's it for now. Thanks for watching and enjoy your ride.